Thanks for stopping by MrGoodbody.com. What we have for sale today is a 2003 Dodge four-door pickup truck, short box, loaded. And by the way, the Harley's not included. But it's a sharp truck, four-wheel drive, loaded. Only 89,000 miles on it. CD player and tape. Floor stick for the four-wheel drive. It has power seats, power windows and locks. And as you can see, the interior is in very clean shape. The damage to this vehicle is confined to the right corner here. It's hitting the back. It's pushed forward. The spring is bent. I think you could change the spring and drive it. I think that would bring this right back down. But there's just minor damage in the cab. But overall, the thing's not hurt bad. It makes somebody a nice pickup truck that you could drive right home. All for only $4,900. Thanks for stopping by. Give me a call. I'm Dave, 607-661-3495.